Winzo here. I'm going to show you how to make a clickbait video. Step 1. Make a tacky thumbnail. This involves large text, a picture of you making a stupid face, and an unauthorized image of a new product, celebrity, or illustration. Make sure you add an outer glow to the picture of you to emphasize how bad you are at masking backgrounds. Next, add a title to the thumbnail like, "Get 1 million subs easy. 3 easy tricks to make anyone like you," or my personal favorite, "Worth it or nah." Step 2. Record a video. During the first minute of the video, talk aimlessly about topics that have nothing to do with your title and beg people to follow you on all the social media platforms. Remind viewers to watch your video until the end so they can hear about the bonus content that doesn't really exist. Make the video about whatever you want and beg viewers to follow you. Again. Also, throw in a shameless plug of whatever random product you're selling. Step 3. Publish the video. Publish your video on YouTube and add a lot of affiliate links and other balderdash to your video description and you're all done. Until next time, Winzo out.